Hey people, so this particular video is made on a special request, saying that to learn the English language. And since even this my tiny little brat, he goes to this nice American school. So Ayush, can we for instance, I've realized to learn any language you need to learn fillers, filler words like, you know, really, oh wow, that's right. These are like filler words. And no, since I told him that my audience likes this young man to appear on the screen, he's bent on appearing again. But really, to learn a language, Ayush, can you give me some English language tips?
No, that's boring.
Okay. No, but since I had promised subscribers, so here it is. I feel filler words are very important. So filler words you can the Telugu equivalent of a filler word would
Don't
be
listen
avunu
to
kada,
her.
avunu kada. That
Do
would
not
be.
listen to her.
Okay.
Do not
so
do
this
it.
video is again going nowhere. So I'll catch you in my next.
Do not
video.
listen to her.
On that note, thanks for watching
Listen what you want to
and
listen.
please subscribe.